Welcome back to Phinys Garage. It's Gray here. When we brought this car back from Tennessee, we took it to a car wash, popped the hood, and just sprayed the thing down because it was leaking oil and we didn't want to get it on the driveway. But that was kind of a rough job. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pop the hood. We're going to detail the engine bay, well, to the best of my abilities. Don't mind the rust here. It's just surface rust. The reason why it's rusting is because there's like this vinyl here and I can't get it off. Like, it literally won't come off. So I'm sanding it down. And yeah, I'm sanding it to bare metal, and that's why it's rusting, but it's just surface rust. So it'll come off. You can see I sprayed some rust transformation stuff on here, and it looks gross now. But when it did happen, when I did spray it on there, it looks great. So probably in the next video, I'm just going to sand down this whole side here, and then we're going to paint it. And it won't be ugly anymore. But let's come in here and open the hood. That's dirty on that aluminum piece there. Oh my gosh, look how much. Wait, let's see. Well, that's not bad. It looks dirtier than it actually is. Okay, well, it's kind of dirty. It's not horrible though. There's all this dirt and grease down there. So we'll start on this side. We'll do the wall over here and then work my way back and then over there eventually. Oh my goodness, that thing is pristine. It looks really, really new. There is some dirt over there. You can see there's a black line. That's not coming off, but I think I'm gonna need some harder degreaser than that. The air intake tube. So when I was scrubbing this thing, it has like I don't know if it's like a weird texture or if there's like grease on it or something. So when you run something on it, the brush sticks to it, and this is sticky too. Not sticky like this type of sticky, but just like there's so much traction. Maybe because it's rubber. I don't know. Felt like there was a lot of dirt on there. As you can, I'm looking at it now, it's like really shiny and clean. It wasn't like that before. We got the passenger side of the engine bay done. Now we just gotta work on the middle and then the driver's side. This side was the dirtiest, but honestly, the middle might be the dirtiest because it's got like all this grime and stuff. Hey, here's the cool thing though. So that turned out like super shiny black, and it was like super dirty and black. So these are the caps for the spark plugs, okay? So I'm curious, are these going to turn out looking like that? All nice and brand new. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's get to cleaning. The aluminum on this engine turned out really well. I mean, you have the intake here, and then you have some of this stuff here. I think I'm gonna have to use some aluminum brightener on it, because that'll really make it shiny and nice and good looking here. I really wish I could have gotten like some of these other areas. Like, I mean, you can see like right here on this bracket here, all that grease there, still on there, but it's like super sticky and gooey. So the brush is not really getting it off. I mean, I told you guys, like, I was wondering what these are gonna look like. Remember, they were kind of like the same color as these plastic pieces. They were black. Oh look, they're actually gray. Eventually we are going to have to take this off to do the spark plugs because they are underneath it. So it doesn't matter if there is a little bit of debris in there. because we will get that out of the way whenever we disassemble the engine, or at least remove the top of the engine here. So this was the area that was covered by this piece right here, and I ended up cleaning it off. And I honestly just now realized something. So this is gonna bug me, but there's actually a crack in it. Like, look, this crack, it's like a puncture wound, honestly. I don't know if I can fix that. We'll see. If I do fix it, it's going to be highly noticeable. I'll probably just leave it there. I'm going to install this piece back on here, and then I'm going to do a grand reveal and show you guys what the total engine bay looks like. And this is the result of cleaning the engine bay of the 1999 Montero. I just love how clean that wall came out, especially the firewall. Look at how clean that is. This side was actually kind of difficult to get to because there's all these components in the way, but I managed to get it done. Engine itself looks good. Still looks dirty. It's not dirty. Well, it kind of is dirty. We need more powerful degreaser because the stuff I used wasn't good enough. Or maybe we just need like aluminum brightener. But this rubber hose for the air intake, wow. Nice and clean. You can rub it, not get your hands all dirty anymore. Actually feels really, really good. Definitely a difference from before we started. If you enjoyed today's episode and you want to see more videos on my 1999 Mitsubishi Montero, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. But guys, until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.